In the past 150 years, this landscape has undergone widespread degradation.
Alles is gechanged. Die jaar is 2025. Die weather is gechanged. Levensomstandighede is gechanged.
5 years back was almost like dust. You have this big animal, they need to eat. And then all of a sudden there's no rain.
It's less sustainable to farm every year because the droughts are getting more extreme, so it's just killing the bush here.
Degraded systems, you find that water and nutrients just kind of move through it.
With drought, I've seen farmers reducing their carrying capacities, like their livestock and the farms. Circular type thing. Environment, jobs, people, happiness.
In a search to find ways to restore this degraded land, spekboom emerged as the most efficient tool.